If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to install WatchOS 10 Beta 2. To install WatchOS 10 Beta 2, you'll need the following, as WatchOS 10 requires a compatible Apple Watch model, which is Apple Watch Series 4 or newer, Apple Watch SE or newer, or any Apple Watch Ultra. You will also need an iPhone XS/X or newer that runs iOS 17. Here's how you can install iOS 17 beta onto iPhone. You will also need an Apple ID enrolled in the free Apple Developer Program. To install WatchOS 10, go to the Watch app. On the Apple Watch app, tap General. On General, tap on Software Update. Next, tap Beta Updates and choose which updates you want to receive. Assuming you have those requirements met, and you're an advanced user who understands the ramifications of running beta operating systems, you are ready to go. WatchOS 10 features freshly redesigned apps, a new Smart Stacks feature, new watch faces, and other refinements to the Apple Watch operating system. And some advanced users may be interested in trying out the newest WatchOS on their wrists. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.